All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test these. I've got 2 sets of LEDs. This one here, it looks like it has 3 LEDs. This one has 3, this one has 6, it looks like. They're really little, I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I'm gonna test these, see which ones look better. These are gonna be the headlights for my 2013 Kawasaki Ninja, and we're gonna see what looks better. I'm also gonna take off this front part. I'm gonna take off the panels and start to wrap them because I've got some wraps that are in right here. So I have this like rainbow chameleon. I have this right here, which is like a matte green emerald. And then this is called, I think, forged carbon fiber, which is gonna be all of my black and plastic body panels. Then I have these lime green wheel rim stickers, and these are reflective, kind of like silver rim stickers. And then I've got some chrome just in case I want to play around. But anyways, I got a bunch of cool updates, and I have here's my helmet. I do have like these Tron stickers on that are powered. They have like 2 batteries. I mounted everything in the back of the helmet, so it's all tucked in. Everything comes in through here, and I sealed it with a little bit of like window tape. Not great, but honestly, I'm probably not going to be riding in the rain too much. I just didn't want the wires to fly around or get yanked out, so they go in this hole I drilled. I made a little hole here so I could connect the wires as well, and then I ran them down the back, and the battery's up in here. So, Alexa, turn my garage lights off.